Myth Alphabet by Carolina Kowalczyk. A is for advertising, helping non-profits. A is for advertising and for a profit. B is for book, wisdom on every page. B is for book, to dumb down any age. C is for corporation, providing jobs to the masses. C is for corporation, controlling money, dividing classes. D is for decline of high school grades. D is for decline of murders and rapes. E is for education, learned on the streets. E is for education in a classroom, a seat. F is for facade, tarnish, varnish, rust. F is for facade, tarnish our name, our trust. G is for generation, the old, the new. G is for generation, the X, Y, U. H is for habit worn by a pious man. H is for habit you can't control or plan. I is for indulgence to enjoy, my dear. I is for indulgence, forgiven and cleared. J is for journal of a teen's contempt. J is for journal of scientific contempt. K is for knowledge shared by professors and teachers. K is for knowledge warped by liars and preachers. L is for language spoken far and wide. L is for language explicit and snide. M is for magnet, attracting metals. M is for magnet, schools on a different